I love a good gyro, but I wanted to put a little spin on it. I also really love a good meatball, so why not combine both of them? Hi, I'm Tara the Foodie and I take the mystery out of cooking for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make meatball gyros. It's going to be delicious Greek-style lamb meatballs nestled in a warm pita bread with lettuce and tzatziki sauce and all the delicious fixins you would have on a regular gyro, but in meatball form. To make your lamb meatballs, you want to grab a nice big bowl. And in that bowl, I'm going to add 2 pounds of ground lamb. At this point, I like to kind of smash down the meat to make like an even wide base. Next, I'm going to add about a cup of chopped white onion, a cup of panko breadcrumbs, 2 eggs, about a half a cup of chopped fresh parsley, about 5 cloves of minced garlic, a tablespoon of fresh thyme leaves, a teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt, a teaspoon of oregano, dried, and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Now get in there with your hands and mix it all up. And you start getting in this with your hands and the aromas of all the different ingredients just start wafting up. It smells so, so good. And while I'm hands deep in this meat, why don't you take this time to go ahead and click down on the subscription button and subscribe to this channel, and also click on the notification bell so that you never miss one of my videos. Once you've mixed all of your meat mixture up, it's time to make the meatballs. And I like to use a scooper like this because it just makes sure that all of the meatballs are uniform size. So I'm going to go ahead and scoop it in and just roll it up in your hand and place it on the sheet pan. Once I'm done making all of the meatballs, I'm going to go ahead and roll them around in just some flour, and this is going to help them have a really nice crust when we fry them in the pan in some olive oil. All right, so the 2 pounds of lamb that I used and all the other ingredients that went into these meatballs ended up making about 35 meatballs. And now I'm going to roll all of these meatballs in a little flour, again, to make a nice crust when I fry them in the pan. Once you've rolled all the meatballs in the flour, you want to head over to the stove to your hot pan with olive oil and fry them all up until they are golden brown. Well, while you're frying your meatballs, you can go ahead and take that time to get together some fixins for your gyros. And I like to chop up some cucumber, some tomato, some raw white onion, and I just picked up a container of tzatziki, and this is a spinach and Parmesan tzatziki. And then I've got some crumbled feta cheese as well. So it's up to you what fixins you want to put on your gyro, and that's the beauty of it. You can just eat the meatballs all by themselves if you want. Hell, do you. All right, and now it is time to assemble these meatball gyros. So right here I have a plate of warmed up pita bread cut in half. Just pop it in the microwave for a minute and it gets nice and soft and warm. First, I'm going to put a nice bed of lettuce just kind of nestled down in, just like 2 pieces so that it looks pretty. I'll go ahead and add some meatballs to the pita. All right, so then we just put on what we think we want. I think at this point I'm gonna go ahead and add some tzatziki sauce. Add just a little bit of the feta cheese. It's quite salty, so it's just meant to be kind of an accent. A little bit of raw onion. Next I'll add some diced cucumber. I'm gonna add some beautiful tomato. Well, I am so excited to take a bite out of one of these. These are my meatball gyros. And now it is my favorite time of every episode, time to taste. I feel like these are gonna be messy, so I'm just gonna put that out there right now. Bottoms up. I always say, it's so good, but it's so good. Like, This is like, it's fresher and lighter than you would think. I mean, this is like a hearty looking, heavy kind of sandwich, but it tastes like a fresh Greek salad in a light pita with just this wonderfully herby, flavorful meat inside. It's got a little bit of saltiness from the feta cheese, a little bit of creaminess and tang from the tzatziki sauce, just freshness from all the vegetables, the bite from the white onion. It's all really important. I wouldn't skip any of these toppings that I put on them. This is an excellent way to have dinner any time of the year, really. This would be an excellent summer dinner. If you just want to mix things up a little bit, you don't have the gyro meat you usually grab from the freezer section available to you, grab a couple of pounds of ground lamb and make yourself some lamb meatballs and put together this delicious meatball gyro. I'm Tara the Foodie, taking the mystery out of cooking for you, and I will see you next time.